Next, I'll demonstrate the pistil stitch. It's similar to French knot. Let me demonstrate, using 3 strands of color number 1 for this pattern. First, bring needle up at center. Hold thread in left hand, needle in right hand. Wrap thread around needle twice. Take down at center of small circle ahead. Pull thread slowly. Let me show again. Wrap thread around needle twice. Take down at center point. Complete pattern following these steps. Compared to French knot, this might be slightly more complex, but easy to master with practice. Control knot tension carefully, or knots won't form properly. Let's look at the result. Now use 3 strands of color number 2 for this pattern beside. Again, start from center. Wrap thread around needle twice. Take down at small circle. Complete pattern following these steps. Like French knot, this stitch creates a slightly raised effect. Perfect for decorative accents. Adding beauty. Let's look at the result.